Happy New Year! January is NAR's Innovation Month, and we're celebrating by sharing some of Bay East's innovations that help you succeed as real estate professionals. Innovation number 1. The Bay East Realtor Success Program was launched in 2018. It's a roadmap for new agents to be successful realtors. From business plans to marketing do's and don'ts, to social media tools, to networking, and more to help them thrive as real estate professionals. Innovation number 2. Bay East On Demand was launched so that Bay East members could have easier 24/7 access to webinars, events, and self-paced classes online and in one location on an easy-to-use dashboard. Even more on-demand content is coming in 2022. Innovation number 3. At Bay East, we know it's a challenge fitting professional development into your busy schedule. The Grab and Go video series now has more than 100 brief how-to videos that demonstrate handy tips from doing a map search to creating CMAs to finding tax information and even using special software like ShowingTime. Innovation number 4. Speaking of ShowingTime, this software allows Paragon MLS users to schedule showings online, helps keep them safe, and saves them lots of time in which they would otherwise spend on unnecessary calls and interactions. Innovation number 5. One of the biggest and most recent was Bay East and 6 other MLSs in Northern California forming the NorCal MLS Alliance. This collaboration gives real estate professionals the greatest access to MLS data in and around the areas they do business. MLS information is now available from 22 counties. We can't wait to celebrate Innovation Month next year with even more cutting-edge tech and resources to help Bay East members succeed.